What's up, guys? Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we're going to break down GJ because it's Sunday and we know that is our routine and that's our ritual, like what we do every single Sunday. And I want to use the opportunity to welcome the new subscribers and the new followers on Telegram. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that because first of all, you'll be the first person to watch my video. And again, don't forget to turn on the notification button. And if you're new here, I am Mosh. You can call me Smiley Mosh. I'm a forex trader and I trade GJ for a living. So without further ado, let's just get down to the business of the day. So which is GJ. Like, you guys see what GJ have been doing like for the past few weeks right now. GJ, the thing they go, like they go. They even send anybody. They send anybody. So this is, you all know the best way to analyze market is to start from higher time frame. Then then we now go according to our strategy. My strategy is day trader, so I like to use smaller time frame to enter my trade. Sorry guys, but I like to analyze my movement and the zone because I like to trade from zone to zone. So I use higher time frame from monthly. Basically, if I'm trading on weekly, I use daily time frame and 4 hours mostly. But if I'm analyzing market, especially on Sunday like this, I try to see where the zone ends and when it begins, so I know what I'm to be looking at. Maybe I'm gonna be buying from below and or selling from when it gets higher. So on monthly time frame, we can see the market is still like we're on the uptrend. If I get to use path, we see how the market has been ranging after breaking this I don't know what's wrong with my after breaking this this trend line, then we start having the market shoot up. We can see retest, then we can see little retest. Same thing happened. We saw like almost multiple, and we're talking about monthly here. Same thing happened. Then we can see it shoot up. Then I was on this trade. GJ did me bad in this trade, man. GJ did me bad, terrible. Then it went for about like almost from this point to this point. We're talking about 1,000. No, what kind of 1,000 pips am I talking about? We're talking about thousands of pips. See, and now the market is ranging at this point. Then, so which we are expecting a breakout to at least this point or this point, then we can continue, or we can get one from here. Then anyhow it is, but we are going long. So let me delete this one. Let me go to weekly time frame. Oh, okay. Weekly time frame is beautiful, looking beautiful. You guys can see this higher high and higher low going down. Like if everybody, if we are to say it, like for me, I was waiting for it to just break, and I'm very sure that we can get a signal from maybe 1 hour time frame or even 2 hours time frame where we saw the market break this structure here. But anyway, that's not why we're here today. We're here because of what we should be expecting from next week, right? From this week or maybe next week. I don't know. It depends on where you're watching from. Now we saw the market is ranging at this particular zone. The market is ranging at this particular zone, which is this, right? So I cannot really say that we are buying. The reason why I said that is because we are talking about we're talking about weekly time frame, and we're yet to break this structure. So we might be having double top, then the market will reverse and start, at least maybe start pushing down to somewhere around here. Then we can see retest. Then we can, like I said, we might still want to be trading. I don't know yet if the if DJ is ready for the move to give us. We might still be trading in his zone, but if I'm still gonna play like I'm gonna pay good attention to this trade and see what happens. If not, then if we eventually break it, then I'm like I said, I know how I enter my trade, so I'm gonna give it time to, once the DJ open, I'm gonna give it time to ripe. And then if I go to daily time frame, okay, on daily time frame, it's beautiful. On daily time frame, we can still see, like I said, I was saying that if we are getting double bottom and double top, double top, then that might be another case. But again, let's not forget this point where the market reverse. Okay, this point, yeah, this point. It's a very important zone area where the market rejected, and we should take a good note of it. We have one here. Yeah. So let me just. Then we have one here. I don't know why. I think it's my network or maybe my PC. I don't know what's going on. But whichever it is, I'm very sure you guys will get the picture. Then we have these two here. We have this one here. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain to you guys is that we have so many resistance level that is turning support for this level right now. And if you all know GJ always respects zone, no matter how the news is gonna eat GJ so bad, it's still gonna respect zone. Which is what you guys can see. Why we can see all these levels. You see, GJ respects zones. Like, it doesn't like to joke with zones. It does respect zones. See what happened. No matter how the weeks is gonna, like, all these weeks is working on a psychological level, and they're just planning to take out some SL before liquidity in the market before moving to the direction that it was supposed to move. So from my point of view on GJ right now, I'm still contemplating, and I will wait. Like I said, let me go to okay. So for you guys, I have to tell you guys one thing. Trading doesn't have to be complicated. You don't make it complicated by adding so many indicators, so many others, as if you are trying to do wonders, as if you're trying to build. I mean, you don't need it. Just make trading simple for you. It's a skills that you have to build, over time. So don't, just because you saw people using RSI, I don't even know the names of the names they call those indicators. All I know is that I use Fibonacci very well. It's one of the things that I perfect so well, and I use I trade trend lines. Sometimes I trade breakout, and I trade reversal. I try to, whenever I see a trend, I try to wait for the execution, then I trade the reversal. Then I'm very good at that. So, and I enter like a snapper entry. Like, I do snapper entry, and I try to get as much as possible. And also I try to leverage on, I use the power of leveraging to make the best out of trading. So I can place 5 trades in a week, and I lose 3 and I make 2. The 2 is going to cover for the losses and also cover for the profit I'm supposed to have for the whole week. So it doesn't matter if I send signals to the group or maybe you guys are not cashing, or maybe you guys are cashing. But you guys know my stop loss is always tight, nothing more than 20 pips. I've never given you guys any signal that is more than 20 pips. The least I give, sometimes I give 8 pips, sometimes I give 10 pips. That is how I trade. I try to um minimize my risk and maximize my profit. So right now, what I'm gonna look at when it comes to GJ, let me go to 4 hours time frame. Sorry guys, I almost drank this water. Is uh, this is normal. Ah, man, using GJ. Okay, so from 4 hours time frame, I can see that we are at this zone. Then if I use Fibonacci retracement from the low to high, if I use from low to high, we can see that the market is actually respecting the golden zone. The golden zone starting from 0.38. We can see how many we've retouched the place for like almost 3 times, and I won't be surprised if we get a touch from here. Then we can start the continuation because of this area here, because of this resistance level. And if I go to 3 hours, maybe I can see more pictures. Okay, so yeah, so what I would do is I'm still gonna see if all I need to do is just wait and have patience. Okay, good. I can see this green candle, which is definitely different from what we're expecting from here. And we didn't see it on 4 hours and 3 hours time frame. So like I said, I'm gonna wait. We wait until we get to this zone. So here is what's gonna happen, or what I see. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Oh shit. Okay. On 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we can see how the market is trying to fight back and the seller is trying to like take over. But not too bad. We're still gonna all we need to do is just have patience. Patient is the key. We're gonna wait till market open and see what to expect. Whether we're gonna break this support, this area. Then if we break this, then we'll see what the reaction we're gonna get from here. So we'll have another reaction what we're gonna get from here. Then other than that, I'm still positive that we're bullishing. Then, like I said, I'm gonna wait and see whether we're gonna have this pattern, whether we're gonna have like whether we're gonna break this zone to somewhere here. We test. Then okay, I can now look for a sell, like a short sell. Like let me try again. Okay, whether we're gonna break, then retest, then maybe I will look for a sell. So it's two options, right? I'm gonna buy if it gets here. If I didn't get on sell, then I'm gonna sell if I see any opportunity around here. The reason why I said that is because from 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 checking this on fast time frame, we can see that all these things they don't matter. When they don't matter, they just all these things are stop loss ons for sellers. Then what I'm actually waiting for, I'm waiting for us to have a break. Let the market just break this point and retest. After retesting, I'm selling, and my stop loss will probably be tied just as normal thing for me. Then I will target, at least I will target down. But if we ever get to this point, I will probably be buying, risking just minimal. But overall, it won't be bad if we can have the market consolidating in this zone, from zone A to zone B, which is this zone, to this zone B here that we have. Let me just make it red. Let me make it red. Green, green is okay. Buying. And okay, so I won't be surprised. I'll probably be happy if we can get something like that to happen this week. Then if not, whatever it is, we can get a signal for buy. Again, I don't like to marry a trade in when I'm on buy and I see that the buy bias is not really working. I move out of the trade and just look for another setup. And if I can't find any setup, I'm done I'm done at that moment, and I'll come back after a while, which is why I trade early in the morning. I trade around 9. So 9, I try to get a lot of data enough for me to trade with. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's market breakdown, and I'll be uploading it on YouTube while I will send the signals to my Telegram for you guys to watch. And also don't forget, it will do well, and it will at least we encourage me if you guys subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you learn one or two things from this market breakdown. And I hope and I wish us a beautiful and a great week ahead of us, as you as a trader and whatever you're doing. I remain your humble much, and you can call me a first guy, and I will see you soon. Thank you guys. Thank